A snake can still bite after its head is cut off? Well, it's true. Here's the crazy part. Even after a snake loses its head, it's not instantly dead. The snake's nervous system keeps firing for a while, so the head can still move and even bite. This is why even a severed snake head can be dangerous. It can still inject venom, and that's no joke. So if you ever come across a dead snake, steer clear of the head just to be safe. Nature is wild, right? Always respect the animal even when you think it's dead. Want more surprising facts like this? Hit that like and subscribe button.